bit more?
Just a little bit.
Yeah. That's good.
Fits like a glove.
Want to get the cocktail as soon as it's ready, or? One hole? Go ahead and breathe.
Sending for Victorville, correct?
Okay, I'm gonna clear off and low.
We can stay by Harper's Lake for...
There's blue sky.
All right.
Swing your in, Charlie, in. Oh, man.
The other system, the other system would be able to basically be able to change that.
We have
Hey, we're starting a port turn.
Right here looks good.
Do a quick beta sweep, pitch, porpoise, and roll for the MMS maneuver, and then we'll climb.
Okay, I'll move off to the side.
Beach Liner 3, Romeo Alpha, overflight restricted area 2505, approved at or above 10,000. And restricted area 2524 is hot, remain clear. Centurion 5-1 Romeo, change to my frequency, 126.5. Traffic, 12 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, F-16 and F-35 level 220.
Over 3 searching.
Okay, looks like everything's still there.
17, roger. Caught over the tack end, then what after that?
RTB to Palmdale.
Descending with Victorville, correct?
Okay, I'm gonna clear off and low.
We can stay by Harper's Lake.
My name is David Diner. I'm from JPL, and I'm principal investigator on the AIR-MISPI Airborne Multi-Angle Spectropolarimetric Imager instrument, which is flying on the ER-2. AIR-MISPI is a very specialized camera. It flies in the nose of the ER-2 and it sits right below the fuselage. The camera sits in a rotating drum, which allows the camera to point at different angles as it looks at the Earth. And it makes measurements from ultraviolet wavelengths to the visible to the near infrared. And one of the special characteristics about AIR-MISPI also is that it measures the polarization of the light. And we're looking at sunlight that comes in and bounces off the surface and bounces off airborne particles. And we're using the measurements of the spectral information, the angular information, as well as the polarization to infer the properties of those airborne particles as part of this mission. I'm Rich Farrar from NASA Langley. I'm one of the flight scientists for the ER-2. We've done many missions to fly above, looking at hurricanes, as well as measuring trace gases, atmospheric chemistry, sort of like what they're doing here, as well as aerosols. So we've flown on many missions. The missions can range anywhere from a few hours all the way up to 10 hours mission. So today's is an 8-hour mission, which is pretty standard type flight. We'll be flying up into the eastern U.S. Along the Gulf Coast. So they can cover a lot of ground with the DC-8. That's one of the nice benefits of it. It's very long range, very long endurance. Has a large payload, obviously, so it's a really unique platform in atmospheric science.
name is Jacek Chowdhury, and I'm working with the Research Scanning Polarimeter, the RSP instrument, which is a polarimeter and is currently flying on the ER2. So this instrument has been flying for over a decade, and on several aircrafts we have deployed this instrument to do exactly what we're doing here again, research on aerosols and on clouds.